Hi, this is Mark Kaufman, Blackboard's partner software engineer. I hope you've watched the first two videos of setting up a LTI 1.3 tool provider, our sample code, and then which is out here on GitHub, BBDN-LTI Tool Provider node under the Blackboard account. And then in the last video, we actually we registered the application on the developer portal. We got an application ID. So now what we can do is we can go, if we've got a clean slate here, we can go and just say register LTI 1.3 tool. And this is one of the easiest things to do now because the admin doesn't have to do a whole lot other than have the ID. So they click on the link to register the tool. It's the application ID or the client ID. They paste that in here and you hit submit. And then some magic happens with the developer portal. You might notice down here that it's probably going to redirect us to the developer portal. It was faster than that. So it actually, you notice I got in for all the information that I filled in on the developer portal when I set up my application. So now I can just hit submit. And here's my LTI 1.3 tool. It's approved by default. And so now I can go ahead and create a deep link. So we'll just go to Managed Placements. And we'll say Create Managed Placement. And we'll give it a label. We'll just call it deep linking 1-3. That'll make sure that's and we'll give it the same handle as the label. I just do that. It's easy to find. You want to make the label nice for your production, of course. It's a course content tool. It supports deep linking. And we're just going to hit submit at this point. Oh, the tool provider URL, right. Well, that was given us when we started our tool. It's the deep linking URL. So we'll just go ahead and put that in here. Now you can put custom parameters here that would be included in the launch if you want, just like you did with LTI 1.1, but we're not going to do that for now. Maybe we'll show that in the next video. So now we hit submit. And now we've got this deep linking piece. So now we can go to our courses. This might actually take a while to populate through Learn. We might not find it right away. There's probably a thread running somewhere. I get to my LTI course. I go to my AAA MBK LTI demo, and I go to build content. There it is. Nope, that's not it. There it is. AAA MBK deep linking 1.3. Now we click on that. And it's the usual pages that we see. Now we're actually on our tool. And I'm not so familiar with the this page yet, so I'm going to pause while I take a look at it, and then I'll come back. Okay, we've got our tool running, and we've done the deep link launch from Learn. So now we're on the build a payload page, and what you want to do here is you want to just do something really simple. We have defaults built into the tool, so you can just say LTI links 1. You need to click this radio button. That has to happen. And then all you have to do is hit the submit button, and you'll actually get the payload. You can see it. You can see the launch here. the request that was made from learn. You can see all that information. And then you can see what the return JSON will be. It's here. So it's all right there. And what we do is we just hit return deep linking and learn then processes the content, and now you've got your LTI link. And I believe if I click this at this point, I haven't tried this yet, so we'll see how it goes. We're actually sent to our tool again, and now we're seeing our page here, and now I can actually go and get the names and roles for the course. So if I click here, yeah, I'm not gone over 6 minutes yet. I haven't done this yet, so this is a first try here. It says, what would you like to do? And I guess what we'll do is we'll hit names and roles here, and okay, what it's doing is it's showing the members of the course is what it's showing. So we're actually getting the names and roles from the users in the course. So you can see that the names and roles service is working correctly, and now we can just go back to learn if we want. And here we have to when we return, we have to hit the refresh button to get back onto our page. I think we just want to go back here. There's the link again. Thank you for watching. That's all, folks.